Hey, what's up guys, it's Ijlal here, and in this video I'm going to show you the new amazing features that we have just added into Content Gorilla AI 2. And you're going to love it. Not only you, but your customers are going to love it. It's just something that would completely blow your mind away. So let's not waste time and dive right into it. Inside Content Gorilla AI 2. Now I'm not going to waste too much of your time by showing you each and everything that we have been doing since day one. Instead, I'm just gonna quickly give you an overview and show you all the new features that we have just added. So on the very basic level, Content Gorilla allows you to search YouTube and find videos that you can convert into blog posts, right? That's not just it. For this particular version, we've also just added the ability to upload your own video and create a transcription out of it, and then creating content based on that. Plus, on top of that, we are also getting Vimeo in, so that's going to be in here soon as well. But for the sake of this example, let's just use a YouTube video and go ahead and create a post. And as you can see, in just one click, it brings us a post that is already like 1650 words. Let's just quickly go ahead and correct the grammar to make sure every word that is spoken in this video is grammarly correct. Let's just go ahead and do that. Give it a few seconds. All right, now that that's done, we can be sure that our content is now grammatically correct. I'm just gonna create a few paragraphs because it's just yep, that's better. Now again, there's nothing new in this, right? We already used to do this and we still do it. The only thing that has been done behind each and every single AI thing that is involved is that we have upgraded to the same engine that the ChatGPT uses. So we're using GPT 3.5 Turbo in the back of this, and that's really helpful because the content is now so much better. So another one of the features that we have just added is the create AI outline feature. Now in just one click, I can give this a little bit of context about the content, and in one click it's going to generate a outline for me to follow with this content, and automatically create headlines out of it. You're going to see. Let's give it a few seconds. Right, as you can see, the content outline has been created, and now on the left panel you see that it has taken basically those paragraphs, and it has sent that to the AI and generated headlines to use along with the content, a complete content outline. Right now I can go ahead and I can simply click on this one button, and it's going to completely remove everything that we fetched from the YouTube video and create 100% unique content using AI. So let's just do that. Let's give it a second again. Okay, now that it has generated the content for me as well. Now this is going to be completely unique because it's written by AI itself, and it has used the YouTube video to create an outline first, and then it replaced the entire content using the content creation feature. Now let's go ahead and see if this content is detectable as AI written content. So as you can see, it's 60% real and 40% detected as AI written content. Now I can go ahead and improve this, of course. And to do that, we can do something that we have just added is we already had this feature where we could basically expand the content using different voices, which includes casual as well as voice of a specific person. But now you can do so much more than that. You can also rephrase the content, plus you can simplify it for a 3-year-old, or, and this is the most exciting one, you can add a sentence of a few different things, which could be basically a joke, a quote, maybe some statistical fact, and an analogy, a counter argument, and things like that. So let's just say I want to add in a quote from some renowned person about content marketing. I'm just going to basically select the content that I would like to use as context, and then I'm going to click on this button, and as you can see here, it has already automatically added the quote from Rebecca Lieb. So that's just one way. Right now I can of course add a whole lot of different things that that the new tool allows me to do so, and I can just maybe write a joke about it. So basically, you can just go ahead and enhance your content much more, and play around with Content Gorilla in itself. Now that's basically the new things inside the editor. Another one of the new features that I would really like to show you is the ability to create more posts from this one big post that you have just created. So what you can do is simply click on this create short form content button, and select the number of posts that you want to generate. It could go as high as up to 30. Well, let's just go with 10 for this demo, and then tag it to just remember which video this was created from, and then click on the submit button. Now it's automatically going to go ahead and generate these blog posts for you. As you can see, it says already done that. Now I can go ahead and open this, and let's check how it looks. Alright, so as you can see here, we have all of these posts that it just created, but it's in progress right now, so it's currently working on writing it. We can give it a few minutes, so we're gonna come back to this in a bit. But until then, I would also like to show you the SEO feature, where you basically can analyze your content. So you can simply click on the Get SEO Review button, and it's gonna basically run a few SEO checks and return the results. Right. So as you can see, it says that we have roughly achieved 59% of the SEO scoring, and it gives us a little bit of overview on how we can improve it even further. Plus, what I would really like to show you is the highlights feature. Now what this does is it basically allows you to create meta description, social media, basically a content summary of 100 words, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, and Twitter posts, and all that. So as you can see in just one click, it has given us a meta description that we can go ahead and use in our for SEO purposes. Then we have a short summary of the entire content, and then we have the content for Facebook post, and we have a Twitter tweet that we can use. And as you will see here, it also has used hashtags in this. Then we have the LinkedIn post, and this all basically what it does is it helps you redirect more traffic once you have published your content. So that's how content highlights works. Then we have this feature where you can basically create new images using AI. So let me just quickly click on this add image button, and let's say I want to man in a jungle working on a laptop, and I'm simply gonna realistic image. I'm simply just gonna click on this new images button. It's gonna take a few seconds, and it's gonna generate these images using AI. Here we go. You can see if I can just simply drag and drop this here, and that's good to go in our content. So that's pretty amazing stuff as well. That's pretty much new features that we have now. If you want to take a look at everything else, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a breakdown of each and everything that's new inside Content Gorilla on this page, so go ahead and make sure you explore it.